everyone, Asalamualaikum. I hope you're doing very well. Today's recipe is going to be a crispy chicken fried strip recipe. I've got some breast chicken here, which will be the main ingredient. I'm now going to be adding in some garlic powder, some ginger powder, black pepper powder, some saffron, garam masala powder, and lastly some chili powder. And I'm going to be adding in some soya sauce. I'm going to be adding in 3 eggs. I'm going to give this all a good mix. I'm now going to be adding in some salt. I'm going to be giving this another good mix. I'm now going to be adding in some corn flour. And I'll also be adding in some basin flour. I'm going to give this another good mix and combine everything together well. I've now mixed this very well and I've left this in a bowl. I've also sealed it up with cling foil so that I can leave it to marinate for 2 hours. Next, I've heated up some oil in the pan and now I'm going to be adding in the chicken strips to let it fry. I'm going to fry this for about 7 to 8 minutes. You should fry this on medium heat and it should look something like this. It looks very nice and crispy. I'm now going to be taking out the fried chicken strips out of the oil. Alhamdulillah, my crispy fried chicken strips are now all ready. They look so beautiful and very crunchy to eat. It also looks very crispy and it's very good and suitable for children. So thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and stay connected for more content coming up soon.